for confirmation the candidates for senior high school graduation. 40 males, 33 females, a total of 73 female computer system servicing who have satisfactorily completed the requirements of the secondary senior high school education prescribed in the K-12 basic education curriculum with the Department of Education, Caraga Region, School Division Office of Surigao City, District 9 for school year 2024-2025.
By virtue of the authority vested in me and in my capacity as the Schools Division Superintendent of the Division of Surigao City, upon the presentation of the school principal, Dr. Manuel Dayondon, and upon the recommendation of the District Supervisor, Dr. Susimon Lopez, in the presence of the barangay officials in attendance, parents, guests, other elected officials, the teaching staff of the Taft National High School, it is my distinct honor and privilege to confirm these 73 candidates for graduation, of whom 40 are males and 33 are females, who have satisfactorily completed the senior high school curriculum prescribed by the Department of Education under the K-12 program of the Department of Education, Caraga Region, Division of Surigao City, Taft National High School for the school year 2024-2025. So you are now confirmed as senior high school graduates. Congratulations to everyone.